How do you share your Amazon associate and influencer links so you don't get in trouble with Amazon? I'll be showing you how to do this correctly and also where you should not be sharing these links. And this will apply for both the Amazon Associates and Influencer program. With the Associates program, you can share links directly to products. And with the Influencer program, you can also share direct links to products and your influencer storefront so that if they click the storefront, they can see all of your product photos and video reviews. But before you start sharing your links, you need to do two things. And the first one is going to be disclosing where you're going to be sharing your links with Amazon. And we're going to do this on the Amazon Associates website. Also, my name is Mark. If you could do me a favor, hit the like button to help with the algorithm and also subscribe. And if just one person subscribed to my channel from this video, I'll continue to post about how to help you make more money with the Amazon Influencer and Associates program. Let's dive in. So first, you're going to want to go into Amazon Associates, click the top right, account settings, and then click edit your website, mobile app, and Alexa skill list. Once you click that, here is where you're going to be putting in either your website, your social media account, your blog, whatever the case may be. For the most part, Amazon only wants you to be sharing your product links on either Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, or your own blog, or your website. And so this is where we're going to be putting that in here. For example, I shared my YouTube channel. Even though every video that I have on my YouTube channel has an individual product link, I'm not going to put in individual video links here. I'm just going to be putting in my YouTube channel link. The same thing goes with your website. If you have multiple blogs where you have different product links, I would just share your blog site domain URL. You don't need to add in every individual product that you reference. Okay. So once you put that in there, then you're going to click add. Like it says here under these sites and social channels, keep your social media accounts, channels, and websites all updated in Associates Central, but do not just reference Instagram.com. What you want to do is do Instagram.com/your handle, but not just the actual URL. Where you don't want to be sharing links are any kind of private conversations, like through text message, through emails, through newsletters, any kind of unapproved social media channel. That's really what it is. If you get it approved here, then you're good to share it. But if not, then proceed at your own caution. I've heard that people have not gotten caught. I've heard that people have gotten caught. My suggestion is do not play with the fire, okay? Because if you do get caught and your account gets shut down, guess how much Amazon is going to care to try to help you get it back up? Frankly, very little, in my opinion and in my experience doing the influencer program and doing Amazon FBA. Customer support will care very little. You just don't want to get in that position. So I recommend just staying safe and disclosing where you want to be sharing your links on these social media sites. The second thing you need to do so that you don't get in trouble is you need to identify yourself as an associate. Like it says here in the operating agreement, you need to disclose and say something like, I'm an Amazon associate. I earn from qualifying purchases. You don't have to necessarily say that. You can also put in parentheses paid link or hashtag ad or hashtag commissions earned. I do both in my YouTube channel in the product video description, and I actually just have the default settings for the videos to say hashtag commissions earned, hashtag ads, because if you share a product link inside like a video description or post, and Amazon will scan that because it'll direct back to your influencer or your associates accounts, and you don't have those hashtag ad or hashtag commissions earned or disclosing that you're an Amazon affiliate, like they will connect that together and then you're going to be not in a great position. So you need to do both of those two things. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is how to actually share product links correctly. And this is pretty simple for the most part, but this can get confusing. Really, the best way to do it on a desktop is just by clicking the arrow, and where it says copy link under a product, it's going to automatically share the product link and it's going to be connected to your influencer or associate store as long as you are logged into your Amazon account. Now, you can do that, or you can use SiteStripe here at the very top and just say get link. Or if you're on your mobile phone, if you click like share link and you click copy, that's also going to be the product link, and it's going to direct that commission back to your account if the link gets clicked or if someone purchases it with that link. Amazon actually has a lot of good Q&A pages here where it explains very clearly and directly more of the terms and conditions. I'll share these links in the video description, but this is what I would recommend as far as sharing links correctly. I've done it like this, and I've shared it on multiple social media sites and websites, and I've been safe. I've been in the clear. I haven't had any issues. So that's what I would highly recommend. If this has been helpful for you, hit the like button, and of course, subscribe down below if you want to learn more about how to make money as an influencer or an associate. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.